Welcome to the channel. My name is Praise Me. We ordered the game from Temu, so let's see how it goes. Actually, out of excitement, I already unboxed it. Now we're going to pseudo unbox it. Now the package is here. One after the other, we're going to open it. So the easiest one out of it is the 18 inches silent ball. So I said pseudo opening. So since we opened it before, I'm gonna be opening it from the back, and we are re-unboxing it. Now this is what it looks like. This is the ball. So it came with a net. I don't know if I could use this to brush, but right, this is a ball and it bounces like very well. You can see how it bounces. Right, that is out. So then we got this. So we're gonna be unboxing this. This is a gun for content. Oh, these are the bullets. These are the bullets, and you have to load them up, I guess. Load them up, and I don't think you can just shoot. You can just shoot. So you gotta pop it out first. Once you hear the click, then you can shoot. Did you get it? So we're gonna unbox it from the back. So this is what they are trying to talk about, you know. Let's get it. So it's just a tic-tac-toe, you know. O and X, X and O. You also have the stickers. So on the sticker, you could put, this one is for one of the smaller ones. So for the smaller one, you could put this ball, small ball, came with it, so show that the size. Let's see a bigger one. Let's see this one. All right. So a bigger one would be like this. Yeah, that is a good one. So how to play the game? Normal game. X is 10. Or you block it. Now this can put it. You can do that. And X can also block here, but red is just winning here, and that is a win. All right, that is that about X and O game. There is this one, but let's see how it is. This one is like a I know what this game is about. I know for a fact what this game is about. So you can play it by 2 or more people, I guess, and you put this on this, then you keep stacking. I don't think that works. You can do this. Someone else can That might be too big, so you can do this. You can see you're still winning. Then to balance it, you do that. So you fell on the side, that means you are the loser. So this came with it. This is like a bag that you can put. So let's see what is actually inside this one, because I don't quite get it. Alright. So balance stack, reverse the order in which players draw game. Take away a box on stage. Oh, these are like challenges. Put the shape of the block on the stage. Oh, fair. So that it won't just be too safe, you know. Draw some more cards. Put the shape, put the shape. Alright. I think I understand what you're saying now. So that is that about this game. So we're gonna pack this up, put it in the bag. That is all. This is a wireless microphone, and I'm sure it came in a very crazy pack, you know. And in our next video, we shall be unboxing this. Thank you very much for watching, and see you on the next video. Peace.